What's up, world? Pretty day out here in Memphis. Well, actually, I'm in Millington. Bike still not fixed, but I'm waiting for good old Biden to come through with their 1400, so I can send 500 to All Things Chrome, so they can go ahead and make this jack shaft for me. Because as you can see, we're getting prettier days. It's supposed to storm today, but we are getting pretty days out here in Tennessee. Plus, since I was shot back in December, I'll tell that story later. I got a couple more months of chilling, so I can get some good riding in. So I figure All Things Chrome gonna take about 2 to 3 weeks to make that jack shaft. Take it to my boy. He's gonna put it all together for me. Figure out why this bike ain't starting. And I'm gonna be out there ready to ride. So let me flip this around. All right, I got it flipped around. That's Snooky. Red nose pit. Yeah. 2006 K6 GSXR 1000 with a 300, actually 310, but I rounded off to 300 size back tire. And like I said, as you can see, missing the most important part, the jack shaft assembly. I got the chain, I got a battery, but it just won't start. I had some aftermarket lights here, but I switched them out because I need to see. I bought this bike, it had some lights on it that I wasn't feeling, but I need to see what's behind me. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. I'm hoping by the end of April, I'm riding with the boys, because they've been doing some riding and I've been missing out. Memphis got that weather where even in December you might get some riding days in. So yeah. I can't wait. Back on the road soon. Follow me on Instagram, and I'm out.